Hey, welcome to the beersjackofbbq. Check out the stuffed pork chops we did on the SNS Travel Kettle. Hey, I'm Craig, man behind the camera's Jack. Today we're doing stuffed pork chops. On my travels, knew a place that carries these. Thought something I never tried on a grill before, so it'll be a first time try here. I'm not sure what the stuffing's going to do, but I'm going to have this run probably around 300, 350. Just going to put them on as they sit right here. Not sure how they're going to get done underneath yet either, so I might bring them over the fire near the end. I might also put some aluminum foil over top of these depending on how done it starts getting as we go along here. But just going to shoot for about 145, 150 degrees. Saw us like the grill with the fire cups. We forgot a couple of videos ago, but something I use every cook for charcoal. Definitely fire cups is a great product. We always have a link in our show more for their products. So looking forward to trying these. Like I said, we'll see what happens. I'm sure we'll all learn from this experience. So let's get them on the grill. All right, so I do this is down just a touch, but it's running right around 350, and that's kind of what I want to do here. So I'm going to kind of probe these the whole time. Just kind of get them to, like I said, we'll kind of figure this out as we go along, but going to have them on this way. Going to let them go about, well, I'm going to watch the temperature. Probably when you get to about 70 or 80, I might turn them, try to kind of promote even cooking. And then I'm thinking, because with it being down towards not getting the most of the heat's coming over the top, might throw these over the fire near the end just to get a nice little color to them. So bring it back when you get a little further. All right, so we just hit right below 80 degrees. I forgot to think about the stuffing on here, but oh well. It's getting, you'll see here, getting a little darker there, which that isn't bad. I mean, I don't mind. Actually, I like when there's a little bit of a crust there, but I'll probably only let it go for a little bit, and then probably going to cover that the stuffing up, so we don't want to get any darker. I'll let this side get a little bit darker, and then we're going to see what's next. All right, so decide to cover them up so we got more color over here, and they're looking pretty good, so I'm kind of happy with the way they're looking. So let's see if I can't just cover them up just a little bit to try to keep some of that heat off them. And just let the meat finish more. So they're about 85 degrees right now in the internal there. I didn't check the meat yet, but I'm going to do that. Just let this go like this for a while, and we'll bring you back. Good learning experience. All right, so showing us into 130s here. I want to get some actual readings and get some of the pork here. That's saying we're way up there. We're in the 140s there. The color's not looking bad on the bottom. I think I'm going to move it over the fire. Yeah, sorry, we had a motorcycle go across. Yeah, the pork looks like it's done there, but let's get a little color on the bottom of it. Let's see what we're getting in this center here. We're only about 140 there, so I'm actually going to close it down then again and just let that kind of just finish off just for a few more minutes, because this should carry over. And it's really the stuffing that's there. So I did question them when I bought them. There's no question about, once the stuffing's warm, they said it's fine. It's a matter of the meat. So the meat's already done, but I prefer to get that stuffing to about 145. So, all right, got a little bit more on there. Let's just close it down for a minute. We'll bring it back. All right, so that was just like a minute, and it did rise a little bit. Ooh, I had it a little close to the edge there. Don't want to lose that good crust there. I'm gonna leave the meter probe in so I can actually get some readings on this. It's a little hot over the fire there. Boy, they look really good though, man. All right, we'll bring it back when they're on the cutting board. As always, cheers. Here we are into the cook. 2 stuffed pork chops on the SNS Travel Kettle. Never tried them before. I think they turned out nice. I'm a little concerned that the meat's overdone, but I wanted to get everything inside, at least to 145. It's kind of what the instructions said. The meat was past that, and the stuffing one there. Now, it did get to like 138 when it pulled them off, covered them up while we were getting everything ready. They did rise almost to 150. So at least I know that for next time. Like I said, I had the grill set up running around 350 to 380 the whole time. So got pretty nice. When it got to about 70s when we turned them, or 70, 80, we turned them. Then it got to about 100. I turned them again, and they were the filling was getting done, or the stuffing was getting done. So I just laid some aluminum foil over that to kind of stop getting it too done. But looks like they turned out nice. So looking forward to cutting into this and see how it turned out. Just cut it right down the middle, I guess. I knew that was going to fall apart on me. So that side looks pretty good. Let's get a taste of the pork. So I don't think the pork tastes right out whatsoever there, though, with the stuffing on it, and there's, I mean, juice coming off it on the side here. Probably would try to watch what I do next time. I'd maybe cook at a lower temperature initially to let those stuffing warm up a little more. But other than that, I think I would do this again. It's actually very tasty. So looking forward to tonight's meal. Like we're seeing, subscribe to the channel, click the little bell and get notifications, and we'll see you next time.